Hello, I'm Rick with the Sound Organization. We're the U.S. distributor for Rega, ProAC, Cord Electronics, and Cord Cables. Today we're showing the Rega Planar 6 RS, which is the latest offering from Rega. It's an amalgamation of the Planar 6 and the Planar 8, essentially taking some of the best parts from the Planar 8, like the RB880 tone arm and the dual action motor assembly, on a more traditional style plinth with a HPL or high pressure laminate layer added, which adds some rigidity and the cool brushed aluminum finish that you're seeing here. Aside from that, we've got that running into an all Rega system, so everything you're hearing here is made in England and ready to go. The cartridge, in particular, is the ND9, which is our top-of-the-line cartridge. It's got the same stylus as our flagship Aphelion 2, but in a different generator, so a little bit different form factor as well. But come on, check it out here at Audio Advice Live, or you can check it out on our website, soundorg.com.